Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on comparing measurements. This video follows on from an earlier video where we looked at the measurements relating to features of different objects. In this video, students will be asked to compare measurements of objects by looking at pictures and using common sense. Example 1. Students can be asked to make a judgment about the lengths of the desk and blackboard. They can be guided to fill in the correct word in each of the following sentences, using the words shorter and longer. The blackboard is than the desk. The desk is than the blackboard. So they're the two words they'll use. Example 2. Use the words lower or higher to complete each of the following sentences. So here are the two sentences. So they use the word lower or higher to fill in the gaps. Example 3. Use the words thicker or thinner to complete each of the following sentences. There and there. Example 4. Use the words heavier or lighter to complete each of the following sentences. There and there. Example 5. Use the words wider or narrower to complete each of the following sentences. There and there. Example 6. Use the word closer or further to complete each of the following sentences. There and there. And example 7. Use the words less or more to complete each of the following sentences. There and there. So this is a wonderful conversation with students here, comparing measurements of different objects and using very special words. And when they look at it closely, a lot of it is common sense, and they should be able to interact with this topic very successfully with your guidance.